In this video, I will show you how to create an irresistible lead magnet in under 30 minutes fast, complete with a lead capture form and integrated with your favorite autoresponder. Lead magnets can come in many forms. You can make a one-on-one coaching session, content summaries, checklists, how-to guides, microcourses, video tutorials, boot camps, and much more. For this example, I will make a resource list to showcase how simple it is to add value to a YouTube video or combine with any other content, such as blog posts or socials. By the way, I'm using Lead Creator, but you can use any tool you currently have. Here in the dashboard of Lead Creator, we will focus on the 10-point listicle template. Go ahead and click Create a Lead Magnet here. I'll give the lead magnet a name. Of course, the name that you give a lead magnet is for your reference only. Here, I've given it a name, 10-point listicle. This lead generation category I previously created here, and that's what's populating the list that you see. Now, this dropdown is what I pointed out to earlier, which is going to be a 10-point listicle. Now, the 10-point listicle template that we're going to utilize here requires a prompt to tell the Lead Creator AI exactly what you want to write about. The more details that you give the prompt, the more focused the lead magnet would become with better quality content. And of course, you can use any prompt of your choosing on your creation. Just use your imagination to put one together. But let me just briefly go over the one that I'm using. It's to create a resource list tailored for specific designers, featuring tools and platforms for design creation, projects for design creation, project management, collaboration, and portfolio building. Include a mix of free and paid options, including software for vector design, photo editing, typography, color palette selection, and mockups. Add resources for finding inspiration, staying updated on design trends, and showcase work online. Organize the list into sections like design tools, inspiration and trends, portfolio building, and client collaboration to provide a comprehensive guide for graphic designers at any stage of their career. So that's the prompt that we're entering there. Go ahead, click on Create. Once the prompt is entered, the Lead Creator AI engine goes to work to formulate a 10-point listicle, as you can see here. Although the output of the AI is great, you need to review and edit the content. As you can see, it didn't take long for it to come up with the 10-point listicle article, and just the right length. Adding images to your lead creation is important because it will captivate the reader to continue reading your lead magnet. The headline is the most important part of all text of a lead magnet and needs to invoke an emotional reaction. Although the AI came up with a nice title here, the ultimate resource list for graphic designers, tools, platforms, and inspiration, this is bland. This doesn't really invoke any emotion. The best way to invoke the needed reaction for your reader is to immediately title a pain point. For example, we are featuring a resource list tailored to graphic designers. The heading should be something like overwhelmed by options, then center this. These 10 resources will transform your graphic design work. This is a lot more emotional than the previous title. The headline will encourage your reader to keep reading, because under the main heading, you can continue with a subheading to agitate the point home. The subheading that I'm thinking of could be the H1 tag. We could make the subheading an H2 tag. Beat deadline stress. Find the perfect designs without losing your mind. That continues the trend of emotion. Now that we have a headline that invokes emotion, the next step to enhancing their lead magnet would be to do some styling. Lead Creator platform allows you to do this quite easily. For example, here I can change the color of the heading to suit the emotion. I could make it red from the color picker. I could make the text red from the color picker. If you need to make the text a little bigger, can easily be changed here. This slider here, we can change the subheadlines, font style a little darker. If you don't like numbering, I know it's a 10-point listicle, but you might not like the numbering. Could just go into the editor and take that out. Take out the numbering. I don't particularly care for the numbering, so go through, remove the numbering. Of course, reading text that's clustered is not encouraging to the reader. Here you go. And then comes the question of imaging. Imaging is really important to invoke the message that you're trying to create. For graphics, I use Napkin AI. They're a free service at the moment. As mentioned before, the Napkin AI has the capability of using its own built-in AI to scan the text. So in this case, what I did, I copied and pasted the first paragraph of the Lead Creator lead magnet that speaks about design tools unleash your creativity into Napkin, and Napkin analyzed the text and came up with this graphic. When you click on this lightning bolt, it gives you an assortment of graphics that you can choose from that will be relevant to the text. This would be a very handy tool to apply to the styling of your lead magnets to make them more palatable to reading. Go ahead and click on the link below to see more of the features that Lead Creator AI can offer for you today.